Let's look at augmented assignments. So assignment, this is equal signs. So if we have same name on left-hand side or right-hand side of equal sign, for example, number, we can shorten the expressions. We can remove the total, and then we can say plus equal. So let me give you the full example number in 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 colon. Okay, we need to do indentation. Then we can print. Okay. So once you learn it, okay, most recent call total is not defined. Sorry. Okay. So we define the total. Okay. Then what it does is exactly the same as total equal total plus number. Okay. So it's going to say 0 plus the first time 1, then assign to total. So it does exactly the same when it's number 2. Continue add it. So 1 plus 2 becomes 3. We are adding 3 to here. So 3 was there. 3 plus 3, 6, and 6 plus 4, 10, and then 5 plus 10. So it becomes 15. So this is the idea of augmented operator. There are other augmented operators. So let me give you an example. Let's say C is 3, okay? So if we have a C is 3, and then C plus equal to 7, what will happen? Okay. So if you are not familiar with it, you can rewrite it. C plus 7. So 3 plus 7 is a 10. So C become 10. So C become a 10. Okay. Of course, if we use plus, of course, we can use a minus. Okay. C minus 4. So C is a 3. Okay. Here, minus 7 become number minus 4. We can continue if we want multiplications. Okay. 3 multiplied by 7, and then assign to C, so 21. Of course, you can do division, same as division here. Okay, 0.42. Okay, fractions. Okay, let's say another one. We can use two of them. Okay, the previous division returned the decimal points, but this one will return integer value. So it will round up. Okay, as a 0. I know it's not clear, so let's make it slightly bigger number. Okay, sorry, divide by 7, but we are looking at integer values. Okay, 4. Okay, because if you are using divisions, return the 0.28, okay, with the decimal points. So if you use the two of them, we are looking at only, okay, integer value. Okay, because it's less than 0.5, you round down. Okay, if of course it's higher than 0.5, then it's going to round up as a 5. Okay, there's another one. We call it as a reminder. Okay, reminder is 2. Okay, because you can multiply by 4, multiply 7 is 28, and then the reminder is 2. That's how you use augmented assignments. Okay, that's a popular idea. Once you get used with it, you'll be okay. But at the beginning, maybe you prefer to write it the full expression. Then once you get used with it, you can say that way. Okay, when the name of the variable is same, left hand side on right hand side, okay, based on your assignment. Okay, that's why I say augmented assignments. Okay, based on assignments, left hand side, right side has to have the same variable name. That's it. Thank you.